And then we're gonna do it just about half of the nails, like about 50%. Okay, make sure you cover whole entire nails. Premium IHO chamfer foils will give it really easy and will help chamfer it completely in like a 30 seconds. So here for 30 seconds. I might keep that though. Okay, so and then I'm gonna do another one, and we are still going to add it on Premium IHO chamfer foil. Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in, and welcome to Glitz Subscription Box live tutorial. If you are first time tuning in, thank you so much. If you are first time stopping by, thanks so much for stopping by. So excited, so excited. And then you can find like 1,000 of videos absolutely free for you on our Crocs platform, social medias. You can find us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and also on TikTok, Twitch, and Pinterest as well. So this one is done with 30 seconds dry already. I'm gonna move this one for just a second. And this nails, I'm gonna use it with raspberry, so I'm gonna try to get this closer colors. And this is really cool because it translucent, so you can use it like I'm in a clear background, so you can use it as on the top of the colors, or you can use this on the clear, completely the clear tip to get its like cool effects. Completely. So I did just half of the nail, so it's transfer everything for you. And the box is 107. And then let's moving on to the next one. Scene is just came out from the LED lamp. Again, I just key it for 30 seconds. So this is the box number 107. I'm using another image right here. Love this sword design. So apply the chamfer foil gels for all inside the nails. I mean half of the nails. If you decide to do all inside the nails, you make sure you apply all inside the nails. So I am going to remove it. Give a good pressures, and you can remove completely. Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. It's only chamfer where is the chamfer foil gel apply. So again, I use number 107's box. All right, so for this is really cool, is pink checkers. I'm gonna use raspberry, and it's really cool because it's gonna changing the colors later, so I'm so excited. And then the grape's gonna be for this sword nails. Okay, and we'll do some crystal placement. So I'm gonna using Velvetty Gel's brush, which is dual. You have one end with the brush, special for Velvetty Gels, really thick, good quality of a bristle, so it's not gonna shredding when you are doing yours beautiful art. And on the other end is a spatula, so you can get your Velvetty Gels easier. So, and I have it right in my place here. I drop couple drop of the beige gel. So our Velvetty Gel exclusive using is beige gel to manipulating and then to sculpting the nails, which is that it's not going to harden or is breaking down your product. It's not only make it easy, smooth, and flow easy, is also is gonna really give it is the time for you to manipulating it without having them harden. So I'm gonna pick the smaller beads. And it's really cool about Velvetty Gels, you are not going to worry about if you are using it too much or too little, because guess what? If you're feeling it too much, you can always remove it. And if you feel it too little, you can absolutely add more. So no limits of what you can do and create with Velvetty Gels. And as you can see that the consistency, it's just so beautiful. So I'm not using spatulas, and then get about like a medium's bead, and then just guide it, and it has like all the time in the world you can able to manipulating it. It is also a set level, but a set level perfect to the point that you are not gonna be like, oh my god, my bead is starts, you know, Velvetty's gel or is the bead is started getting like salt level so fast. You know, no, it's salt level to the point that you can able to still continue manipulating it. So I'm gonna close the lids. Make sure you close the lids. This is really good tip and perfect for beginner nail techs, DIY nail at home. Also for a lot of you and nail technicians been a long time, and something else that you can able to utilize and edit another service for your clients. Absolutely odorless and sustainable ingredients, and also so easy to manipulating. So you can see that when I place it down here, you can see it starts getting really salt level. It's beautiful. I can't wait to show you when it starts changing by when the temperature is changing hot and cold in the body. You see when you're getting on your nails, this part going to turn like lighter because your body on the nail place is gonna be warmer, and it will change right away. So it's make it look so beautiful. So I am submerging my brush into the beige gels just a little bit, pick it up just a little bit, and if you're seeing that I'm turning the nails on the swatch on the sides, you can see that instead of 45-degree angle, because if you're doing that, your tips of your bristle will pull majority of the gels. The same concept when you're doing it other techniques for liquid and powder as well. So you're gonna do it just parallel, keep your bristle parallels with the nails, and you're going to blend it instead of using the tip, because when using the tips, all of the pressure is gonna go right on the tip of the bristle. Is gonna pull out most of the gels. You don't want it. You want the gel to be flows much possible. All right. Really cool. You know what, this is the best time if you want to add like if you want to add some glitters on, if you want to add something else on, it's a great time to do it now. However, I'm going to put some crystal placement in here, so I'm gonna let it set for like a flash here for 30 seconds. Okay, and then we're gonna cap it with the crystal clear. Peace everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. Welcome to Glitz Subscription and such live tutorials. So I'm gonna be picking about a medium size of the Velvetty gels, and then I am going to cap. Look at that, how beautiful it is. Its form is like a raspberry, it's like a pink, and then it changes lighter, and as it's getting warmer, it's even a lighter. It's so beautiful. So I'm gonna add it right on the nails. And I am going to blend it. If you feel like you want to cap completely the nails, you absolutely can. But I'm gonna do the importance that you're gonna do it right in the part of the ombre part. You want your ombre to able to be protect, because then when you start filing them, you don't want your ombre, beautiful ombre part is gonna be gone, you know. And pretty much just don't have to manipulate it too much. You just turn it upside down and let it like salt level itself. This is great for like me. I've been really enjoying it. So if for the beginner nail techs, or for the folks who've been doing your nail forever and really want to take your business to the next level, and absolutely it will be a solution because it's odorless and it's so fast when you're filing and shaping them. Very much you can do is a lot of custom nails with the Velvetty gels. So you can see that how cool and is like salt level is. And now you can able to like adjusting it as you wish. Really gentle. Sorry, did I move it too high? All right, so now I'm happy with this. We are going to cure this one for 60 seconds. You can see on the side how cool it is.